Okay, I'll go over the questions you had for your lesson quiz today. Please review this before you attempt the textbook homework problems. As I mentioned, the counting principles that you're used to aren't the same counting principles we're working with now. So just make sure you view the video. Maybe this will help. So number one, how many ways are there to answer a test with 4 true-false questions? So we have four true-false. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's only 2 ways you can answer a true-false question, either true or false. So 2, 2, 2, and 2. And then the tests also have 3 multiple choice questions with choices of A, B, C, D, or E. And so for each of those multiple choice questions, there are 5 ways you can answer that: A, B, C, or D. So the number of ways is 2 raised to the 4th times 5 to the 3rd. And so 2 raised to the 4th times 5 raised to the 3rd will give you 2,000. So this was 2,000. All right, 5 different books will be displayed on the library. How many ways are there? So that's just 5 factorial. Or you can look at it this way. You have 5 places to fill in. Okay, you select the first book in 1 of 5 ways, the second book in 1 of 4, the next book in 1 of 3, the next book in 1 of 2, and then finally 1. That's just 5 factorial. Or that's equal to 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And so that is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. And so that would be 120. 120 ways to arrange those books. Number 3, the 3 best essays in a contest will receive gold, silver, and bronze star. So, okay, so one essay has to receive a gold star, another one a silver star, and another one a bronze star. So order matters here. Order matters here, right? Okay. If Jane's essay receives the gold star and Peter's essay receives the bronze star, well, that's different than if Peter receives the gold star and Jane the bronze. So order matters here. So we're talking about 10 essays in total. So this is going to be 10 items taken 3 at a time, 10p3. So that's going to be 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial, the ones we exclude. So 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial, and so that will be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. The factorials will cancel out, and so that will be 10 times 9 times 8. So that will be 720. 720. And then in a talent show, the top 3 performers of 15 will advance to the next round. So order is not important. Okay. Order is not important here. Okay, if Pete was the first one selected and Jane was the next one selected and Mary was the next one selected, they all go to the next round. It doesn't matter if Mary was selected first, followed by Pete, and then followed by Jane. It just doesn't matter. Order does not matter here. So this will be 15, then choose 3. And so that will be 15 factorial divided by the ones you select and have to arrange, 3 factorial, and then 15 minus 3 factorial. So that will be 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 12 factorial. So that would be 15 times 14, 14 times 13 times 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial and 12 factorial. Factorials will cancel out. And then I'll have 15 times 14 times 13 divided by 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. And so that would be 15 times 14 times 13, 2730 divided by 6. And that will equal 455. Okay. So I bet you some of you were dividing by 3 and not 3 factorial. Guys, we're working with factorials here. 3 factorials, 3 times 2 times 1.